Hi! In front of me is LG K41S, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder on this smartphone. First of all, you need to find Essentials folder and click on it. Now select Audio Recorder app and select Allow in the pop-ups. Over here, click on this red button to start your recording. You can pause it and unpause it using the same one. You can also add a bookmark by tapping on this left one. And after that, end and save your recording by tapping on this right one. Over here you can also edit it however you wish to, and even share it. When you want to... Okay, so you need to click on this back button over here, and then if you wish to rename your recording, you can do that by holding it and choosing rename. Now type in whenever you wish to and choose save. You can also delete it by holding it one more time, but this time selecting delete and confirming your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!